Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on defending market position. Let's start with the introduction. A company needs to make strategies to expand its offerings. Not only that, but it also is necessary to constantly create strategies to defend its position in the market. The company's reaction to its competitor actions can be divided into three fundamental types. First, ignoring the competition or no action. Second, repositioning the current offering. Third, repositioning to attract new customers. Let's look at each one of them briefly, starting with ignoring the competition or no action. If the threat by competitors is not sustainable and it will die by itself, then this strategy is favorable. A company may not react to price reduction by a competitor if they believe that it will not last for long. Example of companies who utilize this strategy are Red Bull, Gillette, and Lego. All three dominant players in their particular industry and product type. Next, repositioning the existing offering. On the entry of a new competitor in the market, the existing company can reposition its product for current customers. Customers hold value for a product in proportion to the advantages and the prices they have to pay for it. In that case, the company can either reduce the cost or improve the benefit of an offering. Increasing the advantages of the offering is done to make it more attractive. A company can choose to augment the practical benefits of the offering by enhancing the performance of the products, or boost monetary benefits by adding financial rewards, or third, improve psychological advantages while repositioning the image of the offering. One of the examples in this case is the Netflix Stream Fest. This scheme enabled everyone to watch all programs available. It was a free trial promotional offer by Netflix on 5th and 6th December 2020 in India. It was declared by them that users would not have to use the credit card or debit cards to watch the programs. Netflix sent codes to viewers so that you could use the app. They declared that users would not have to use the debit card or credit card as stated earlier to enjoy all movies and shows. All users had unrestricted access to all of Netflix content during these 2 days. Next, repositioning to attract new customers. Repositioning the product to lure in new customers can be a diverse way of managing the competitor. In order to attract new markets, fresh products are added along with promising target propositions in this particular strategy. A shift in the value proposition offering in two fundamental ways is 1. Vertical repositioning and 2. Horizontal repositioning. Let's look at vertical repositioning. Vertical repositioning alters the value proposition of the offering. The modification is done by shifting into a new price tier, which could be upscale, as in premium, or downscale. The company raises the price and enhances the benefits in the upscale repositioning. On the other hand, the company curtails the price and reduces some benefits or frills while in downscale repositioning. Let's look at an example of upscale repositioning. In this case, Mondelez International launches global brand Cadbury Glow. Cadbury Glow, a luxury chocolate gift, was launched in India by Mondelez in 2014. The company amalgamated its global mastery in chocolate, breakthrough innovation abilities, and profound customer understanding for this creation. This special product is an elegant chocolate praline with a generous chocolate filling. It is exemplary in terms of flavor and packaging. The chocolate gift brand is loaded with tiny details. These details are symbolic of the respect and care that was put into this creation. The chocolate pralines are crafted in Europe. After production, extra vigilance adopted in the process of designing and packaging, and the special efforts along with the gorgeous purple and gold packaging of Cadbury Glow make it genuinely gift-worthy. Moving on to the horizontal positioning aspect of repositioning to attract new customers. When the company alters its proposition to build value by modifying and adding benefits without rewriting their price tier, it is called horizontal repositioning. Horizontal repositioning attempts to smash the conventional norms built by the consumers. It comes up with a new appeal for the offering. The best example in this case is Old Spice. The very famous Old Spice personal care brand for men was founded back in 1937. However, Old Spice in collaboration with Whedon plus Kennedy revamped their brand identity in 2008. They came up with a new brand campaign called Old Spice Swagger. The online campaign gained popularity at swaggerize.me.com. It added a fresh appeal to the Old Spice brand, thus making it a strong competitor against the market rivals like Axe. The name Old Spice held a considerable amount of cultural ethos combined with unmatched attitude. Swagger, which was marketed as a scent that makes a difference, saw a tremendous amount of success on traditional marketing channels and also eventually appeared on YouTube. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on defending market position. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.